pace, and style. This not only enhances accessibility for all, but also carves unique learning paths for each student, making education a more inclusive and adaptable experience. However, these advances come with their own set of hurdles. Data privacy emerges as a primary concern. As educational tools collect vast amounts of personal data to function effectively, the risk of breaches and misuse increases. Additionally, the digital divide remains a significant barrier. While some students gain from cutting-edge AI tools, others without reliable internet access or technology are left behind, widening the gap in educational equality. Moreover, despite AI's capabilities, the necessity for human oversight cannot be understated. AI can guide and teach, but the empathetic, intuitive touch of human educators is irreplaceable. The path of integrating AI in education is paved with both groundbreaking opportunities and formidable challenges. Looking forward, what does the future hold for AI in education? Imagine a world where learning is not just personalized but deeply intuitive, where AI not only knows what you need to learn, but also how you learn best. As AI algorithms continue to evolve, they will become more adept at understanding individual learning styles and adapting content accordingly. This continuous improvement in AI will allow educational tools to offer unprecedented levels of personalization, making learning more effective and engaging for everyone. However, as we navigate this promising future, the importance of ethical considerations cannot be understated. Ensuring that AI-driven education systems are transparent, fair, and accessible to all is crucial. This involves safeguarding against biases in AI algorithms and maintaining the privacy and security of students' data. In the near future, AI could transform educational environments, making them more interactive and responsive. The potential for AI to dynamically adjust learning paths in real time could revolutionize the way knowledge is imparted. As we stand on the brink of educational transformation, AI seems poised to redefine our traditional notions of classrooms and learning.